how to change to a different parameter set on your Ventra XT. As you can see in this example, we're on parameter set 2. So if I happen to have multiple sets of parameters, which there's many that you can put on your Ventra XT if you want to run, like a summer, spring, winter, or fall set so that you don't have to change as many things, or if you have different grows that you use, like in a hog application, you may have a starter phase, a wean phase, a grow phase, and you have different options that you want to set up in there to make it quickly to be able to change settings. You can install different parameter sets, and on this we have 2 parameter sets, and like I mentioned before, we're in parameter set 2. To change that back to parameter set 1, we will need to cycle power to the unit. In this case, I've got a plug right here above it, so I'm going to unplug, kill power, plug it back in to reboot. Now on this screen, that's if you're loading an update file for software. So we cancel out of that, or if you leave it long enough, it'll go on its own and continue booting up. And then as we get close, just like on the other Ventra series, we're going to choose Startup Procedures, press Enter to change. You only have about 2 or 3 seconds when that comes up, so you want to make sure you hit it quickly. Copy parameter file on SD card. No, we're correct. We are not copying anything onto the card right now. So we're going to leave that at no, hit Enter. Now load parameter set. And this is where we want to choose between our different parameter sets, whatever we have loaded in here, on which set we're changing to. We were originally on set 2. We're now going to change to parameter set 1. Press Enter. Do we want to remove all alarm records? Now all this is going to reset is the 20 slot alarms that it holds of the most recent alarms that you may have had on your controller. This will not erase the history file that holds all your alarms on the SD card. It will only do the last 20. So you can say yes if you'd like, Enter, and then clear history collect structure. That's just the most recent history that it's held in. It's not going to completely clear your history folder that is on your SD card. So we'll say yes. And now it's going to continue to boot up. Going through its startup. And we have now come back up, and as you can see, we are now on parameter set 1. And that is how you change parameter sets on your Ventra XT.